attempt number one of my rescuing my SG900. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be pretty interesting, is I'm going to do an aerial rescue. My SG900, which I flew for the first time, has got stuck up in a tree. So what I'm actually going to do, it's a long way up the tree, I can't climb it. I've tried chucking ropes and stuff, it's just too high up. So I'm going to do a rescue mission with my tello. I know, it's crazy, but anyway, here we go. So what I'm planning on doing is, as you can see, I've attached some pretty thin fishing line, 20 pounds to to be exact. Okay, I have attached that to my tello, and at the bottom there I have a very light fishing sinker. So what I plan to do is fly the tello up over the tree, pulling some extra line. The sinker's just going to weigh it down slightly, and I'm going to wrap it over the tree because the drone is actually stuck top of the tree, which you'll see very shortly. And I'm going to fly it straight over and straight back down again. So what I'm going to end up with is a piece of catgut fishing line from A over the tree to B, and I'm going to grab them both and give it a jiggle and pull down my SG900. That's the plan. So I have actually tested this, believe it or not. As you can see, I've taken some weight saving measures. I've taken off the guards, I've taken off my GT roof, so we're at bare bone basics here. So I'm hoping, yeah, this is going to work. Okay guys, welcome back. So as you can see, there's my SG900 up there on that branch, and I can't climb up there, and the wind's picked up now, so it's a bit of a pain. However, I'm still going to try and rescue it. Right, this is the funny bit. Okay, so here we go. The rig is a stripped down tello. I've got some 7 pound or something like that, 20 pound fishing line underneath it. Yep, fishing line. There's a sinker just here, so keep it away from the actual tello. And the other end of the sinker I've connected to this feeder line, which I'm hoping I'm going to be able to fly that straight up, straight over that branch and land it down the other side, which will give me 2 pieces of twine and hopefully enough to rescue and pull down by jiggling that branch here that it's hooked on. So yeah, I know, just what I was thinking. Rescue operation is commencing. Part 1, take 1. We might as well video this, because this is probably going to surely end in disaster. Okay, fingers crossed guys, wish me luck. Okay. Right, okay, is it going to pull that cord? Oh yeah, it's actually pulling that quite well, believe it or not. You guys can see that. Okay, let's go up. Oh, struggling a bit. Okay, let's keep going up. Pull that cord. Yep, still pulling. It's going to get harder the higher it goes, I understand that. Still pulling the cord. You can see it going all the way up there. I've just got to miss that tree there. Oh, the wind's blowing it all. Gosh. It's hooked on that tree there. I just need to get it off of that tree now. Okay, it's off of that tree. Oh. There's a snag then. We're almost over the drone. Oh, come on, go up. I just need to go to the right a tiny bit. And then down. Oh. Oh no, now they're both hooked. Like I said guys, yeah, this could be good or bad.
Okay, so I think we're a bit tangled up here. Yeah, let's go for slow speed. Sorry guys, it's just too fast.
Okay, it's spooling, that's good. Spooling, spooling, spooling. I just want to go above that. And then come straight back down again. I'm not too bothered if I crash. On the coming down, I just want it to hook the drone. Like so. And come back down. Oh, look at that.
Oh, almost perfect, okay. Still spooling. I've managed to hook the branch. And I've hooked another branch as well. So, I can pull it over there. Stop this one. Pull it.
Over there like so. I'm hoping when I pull this, we're going to get the result that we want. I haven't quite hooked the drone, have I? Oh, yeah, so close. Okay.
Oh, I'm going to tangle here, so good. So like the last time. Okay. Spool away.
Spooling nicely. And line, bit of wind. Just wait for the wind to go. Oh yeah, there's some wind. Hang in there, Tello. Hang in there, Tello. I know you don't like the wind.
It's really struggling. Okay, fishing line there. Oh, that's it. Here we go. Alright. Now let's go forward. Alright, let's go up again, shall we? Can we head up or not?
Okay, tap to land. Oh, that's what happened. It's caught up again. Okay, I'm hoping I can bring this down. Oh, I need a spool buddy to help me spool. There we go. Ah, you silly spool. Mental note, spooling not working. Okay, come to Papa. I might actually have it hooked around where I need it hooked around this time. Ah, you stupid thing. Okay. Come on, JD. Oh, it was off. Tell me you got that. Tell me you got that. Okay guys, there you go. I don't know about you, but I call that a success. Something learnt. And I won't do that again. Awesome. Saved. Hey, let's go for a fly, shall we? See you in the sky. There you have it, gang. A rather successful mission, albeit slightly dodgy. So what did that cost me? Cost me one blade on the telly. A small price to pay for a returned SG900. And now I can get that footage from my SD card I was promising you guys so many videos ago. Seems to be alright. I'll take it for a quick fly. The Tello. What a drone. If you guys are looking at a Tello at the moment, you know what I could say? I say go for it. What an awesome unit.
Took me 3 attempts to rescue, and the third one was the bomb. That's what we were after. Hooked it nicely, put it down, a disaster. That's terrific. Thank you, Telly. Okay, SG900. You and I have got to have some serious talks. I'm just going to see if it flies. See if it still flies. I'm not using GPS here, so I have to be careful I don't get it stuck up a tree. Yep, okay. One of those legs look a bit, how you going? Might need to fix that. But looks like she flies quite well. Success, guys. Rescue mission a success. Thanks for your support. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for your well wishes. Thanks for your humour. Be safe, take it easy. See you in the sky. Bye.